later model luxury sedan, unique, especially in classics. Lexus 2007 model year, LS 460, so of course 4.6 liter V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission, 8-speed shiftable automatic transmission to be exact. Of course, your modern amenities, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold, dual electronic climate control. Now, as far as the black paint, you are going to see some imperfections here up close, and you'll be able to check it out in the still pictures from every angle. Probably have 100 pictures or so of this car online, top to bottom, inside and out, at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. Riding on Michelin Pilot Sport all season radials, not many miles in those at all, put on with the last year or so. And you'll be able to see those in the still pictures too, as far as the tread depth. There's close-ups of that on all four corners of the car. Black on black, power sunroof. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, check out the interior a little closer. I'll let you hear it run, take a peek at the engine bay. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Come around to the rear, you can see dual exhaust, the rear parking sensors, as well as front parking sensors on this particular car. And the other amenities you're going to get in a luxury sedan from Lexus in 2007. Take a peek down the driver's side. Little touch-up spot here and there. One in the door, you can kind of see it there. Of course, leather bucket seats. We have memory seating. Again, all your luxury amenities that you're going to get: power windows, power locks, power seats. Heated and ventilated front seats with heated rear in this particular car. Steering wheel controls. I mentioned that dual electronic climate control also. You also have the Lexus performance sound system in this one. Either premium sound system, I believe they considered it. Let's go ahead and check out the exact miles. 167, 649. And doing a systems check, and as you can see, no check engine light, service engine soon warnings, anything like that. Take a peek at the top of the dash. Of course, great performing and handling, luxurious ride. I believe 380 horse these had. Slip around to the back so you can, well, maybe hear it run. Pretty quiet. What they're known for, going down the road, quiet cabin, very little noise inside the cabin. All right, I'm going to slip up to the front. I know there's not a lot to see underneath the hood. We'll take a peek underneath there, show you how clean and tight.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here's a shot underneath the hood, hood liner. Very, very clean. Doesn't look like this thing's been driven in much of inclement weather. And there it is, 4.6 liter V8. I promise it's under there. And it is running. Listen how smooth that is. There you go, 2007 Lexus LS 460 sedan. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.